What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In this video, I am going to talk a bit about how to have clean lines in Procreate. I did a short video before about it, but I want to really go over a little bit more in depth, which show you how I have been able to learn how to have clean lines in Procreate. So first off, you want to obviously unlock your iPad and you'll see my gallery here, and let me create a new one, a new canvas, and I'm going to create a new one and I will show you a very simple way. So right here with canvas, you have the width, and you could do it in pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, whatever your unit of measure is, wherever you are in the world. And so I would do inches, the standard for the US. And the iPad that I have, it is I think it's like the 12-inch to small. This is a first generation iPad Pro because I haven't felt a need to upgrade yet. And so I'm going to do 12 inches by 12 inches. And you see right here the DPI, which is 300. And then I'll hit create. But the thing with this is the max amount of layers that, where is it? Canvas info, canvas information. The max amount of layers that I'm able to create, well, to be able to use in this canvas, it's 11. Not able to do any more than that. And the DPI is 300. So let me show you. So layer 1, I'm just going to show you what happened. So 11 layers, it'll give you that maximum limit of layers reached. And oh my goodness. Okay, back to what I was saying. Yes, so if you want to have cleaner lines, this is one way. And also another way, let me show you in a project that I just created recently. Okay, so also another thing I have learned, that a lot of it depends on the brush. So what you want to do, you want to zoom in, and whenever I like to clean up and make it nice and a bit more, hold on, that, make sure I'm even on the right layer. There we go. Yes, whenever I go in and I want to have the work a bit cleaner, what I'll do, just go in with the studio pen, and as you see, the lines right here are cleaner than these. And this takes a lot of practice, and also takes a lot of practice, and also you could use the shortcuts that are built in. And the shortcuts, I don't know if you would actually call them shortcuts. Hold on, let me take a sip of water. Thankfully I'm feeling better. Yeah, the shortcuts, like for example, you see this line here. If I press here, hold it, and then it creates a straight line. And that's one easy way to have less work to do. But for overall this piece, what I was going for, didn't want to have it to look too perfect. And that is the way to how to go about creating work with clean lines in Procreate. It's not difficult. You just have to be willing to take the time to create it to your level that you'd want it to be. And if you have any more questions, just let me know in the comments below. Wait a minute. in the comments below the video. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.